Hi everybody, Mr. Wyatt again, and now I'm going to go through number 16 from today's assignment. So look at the following picture. What is the measure of angle K? Now, angle K is outside of this triangle. It's out here. It's an obtuse angle. So we know it has to be pretty large. It has to be larger than 90 degrees. Um, so here's what you can do to find that angle measurement. First of all, if you look just at the triangle here, we know that the angles inside of a triangle always have to total 180 degrees. And I know this angle here is 90 degrees. That's why we have the box here in the corner showing it's a 90-degree angle. And we know this angle up here is 42 degrees. And so we should be able to find this angle measurement right here inside of the triangle by adding 90 and 42 together, which is 132 degrees. And since these three together have to total 180 degrees, just take 180, subtract 132, find the difference, and you'll have this measurement here. Okay, so 2 from 0 um, doesn't work. That would put us in the negatives. So let's regroup here. Make this 8 a 7, and then this becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I don't have to show that. 48 degrees is this angle right here. Okay. By the way, since this was 90 degrees here, you know these two angles have to total 90 degrees. So you could have taken 90 minus 42. That would also give you the 48-degree measurement here. Okay. Now that I know that's 48 degrees, these two angles together, maybe I'll change colors here so you can see a little easier what I'm trying to show you. These two angles together add up to 180 degrees. Okay, those are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles total 180 degrees. Okay, so and since this is 48 degrees, you could take 180, which is this entire measurement here of this straight angle, and subtract 48 degrees. And let's see what we get. Again, I have to do some regrouping here. Make this 8 a 7. This becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then I have the 1 here. So 132 degrees has to be the measurement of angle K. I should put angle K is equal to 132 degrees. Okay? So to find it, I just found the measurement here of this angle, which was 48 degrees. And then I subtracted from 180 to find measurement of angle K. One more thing that I probably, well, I wouldn't need to show you this, but I'm going to. Um, some of you might have already noticed, when you're looking at this triangle here, if you're trying to find this angle which is on the exterior here, or on the outside of the triangle, there is a rule in geometry that we didn't discuss this year, but you will see when you get to the high school. There's a rule that says this exterior angle outside of this triangle has to equal the sum of these two angles over here on the opposite side of the triangle from it. So actually, if you were to check that, 90 plus 42, you will find that does equal 132 degrees. So if you can remember that, that's a shortcut for a problem like this. To find that measurement, just add up these two angles that are opposite on the opposite side of that triangle over there. Okay, if you can't remember that, fine. Just find this measurement by knowing these have to total 180. And once you have this measurement, you can see these adjacent angles are supplementary. So they total 180 degrees. 180 minus 48 gave us this angle K. 132 degrees. All right, that's it. I hope you have a nice day.